So we're canoeing down Lynches River in South Carolina, which is one of the most scenic rivers in the state of South Carolina. 177 miles, of which over 100 is considered scenic. Beautiful December day, 70 degrees, it's perfect. Slight breeze, beautiful sun. We are told that we might be able to see some deer drinking on the river, turkeys.
Sandbank there.
There's a sandbank there. This is a beautiful river. It's very beautiful. My honey's doing the steering for now for me since I'm making this video. Good job, honey.
It is awesome. It's just pushing us along.
Yeah.
Just enough.
The river just has enough of a current to keep pushing us in the right direction. We are expected to be on water for
2 hours.
about 2 hours. Beautiful. Absolute beautiful calmness in the nature. Just hope we get to see some animals.